Welcome back to Dad Deals for this week's edition of the biggest deals of the week. This is Memorial Day weekend. We'll cover all the sales going on. And in this video, I'll share with you all the best deals for dads that I find across the internet. We'll cover all the stores and all the sites. And as usual, all links to the items are posted below and sorted out by store. Full disclosure, some of the links below are affiliate links, and I do earn a small commission if you decide to click on them and make a purchase. So if you'd like to support my channel at no cost to you, please consider using my links. All right, sit back, relax, and let's check out the best online deals for this week, Memorial Day weekend. Now, first up, before we get started, I do want to thank the sponsor of this video, and that is CostWay. They are a great site to check out for any of your furniture needs. They have a whole variety of things on their site, and they're having a huge Memorial Day sale right now. I actually recently picked up this 4-chair set for my dining table. I got a new dining room table, and we needed some new chairs, and these match perfectly with that black and wood look. These really were the right price. We got 4 chairs for $220. That's just about over $50 a chair, which was a lot cheaper than a lot of the other places out there. They were easy to assemble, and they're really sturdy chairs. So definitely check out their site. And they actually have an exclusive promo code for my audience. If you use the code DadDeal30, you can get $30 off your purchase. So thanks to CostWay for sponsoring this video. Now, this is Memorial Day weekend. I do want to first off thank any active duty military or veterans out there. Let me be the first to say thank you for your service. And while this channel does cover all the deals out there during this weekend, make sure we don't forget the reason for this holiday. So thank you for your service to everyone in the military. Now, there are also a lot of exclusive military deals out there. A great site to check out if you are eligible for any of those is ID.me. They kind of list all of them here in a nice place where you can just see them all at one time. But once you register on that site with your military status, it's just one click to any of these discounts. Yeti has 15% off. Fanatics has 20% off. I know Under Armour is running a 40% off anything on their site. So there's a lot of great deals if you're eligible for these discounts. One lesser known discount out there is that if you go to the exchange, shopmyexchange.com, you can actually click through over to homedepot.com, where it's sort of this exclusive site. And you can get pretty much anything available at Home Depot. We're 10% off, which is the usual military discount. And then it's also tax-free. So a great benefit there. Make sure you're taking advantage of that at Home Depot if you're eligible. All right, now let's talk about some deals for everybody. We're going to kick things off over at Harbor Freight. The weekend sale for May 23rd through 26th is 10% off any single item for everyone and 20% off any single item for Inside Track Club members. So that's a great coupon deal. If there's anything you've been eyeing, you've been waiting to see if it's going to go on sale, you don't really have to wait anymore. This pretty much applies to anything in the store, and you can get your 10 or 20% off that purchase. Now moving over to Lowe's. Now I did cover Lowe's and Home Depot in their own separate videos, so definitely go check those out. But here's a pretty sweet American, made in the USA, American colored tools from Klein. Now these aren't on sale, but I have to mention them since it is Memorial Day weekend. This is the Klein Tools screwdriver set, a 3-piece set here for $20 in the red, white, and blue. You also have some lineman pliers here that's etched with the American flag for $30. And then we also have these red, white, and blue wire strippers from Klein Tools as well for $20. So if you're someone out there, I know I get a lot of comments all the time where you really like to buy those made in the USA products. Here's some nice ones, and you can show off your red, white, and blue USA pride while doing it with some nice tools from Klein. Also over at Lowe's, here's a great deal on the Skill Power Core line. You're getting 2 of their batteries. These are 2 amp hour batteries, and you can pick a free tool. Here I have the multi-tool listed, and that's $80 for everything. Kind of a cool thing about these batteries is they can charge via USB-C, and they can also be used as a power station. So you can charge devices through that USB-C connection. So a pretty cool lineup there from Skill. Another nice deal, here's the Cobalt XTR 18 gauge brad nailer. That's $129. That's $70 off the normal price. If you need a new patio umbrella, check out this one. It's $50. It's $10 off. You do need to be a member at Lowe's. That's a free program to join though, but a nice 7.5-foot umbrella here. Also, if mosquitoes are hitting your area, check out the Off Mosquito Control Citronella candle. This is $13, but it's $4 off for members, so it's going to be about $8. If you need a grill, check out the Master Forge 4-burner gas grill here at Lowe's. It's $230, but you're getting $80 off as a member. And then here's the 24-volt line from Cobalt of their outdoor power tools. You're getting the string trimmer, a blower, and a 4 amp hour battery and charger. That's a crazy deal. This is $200, but you're getting $70 off as a member. So you're looking at about $130 there for this combo kit. A nice outdoor fan here from Harbor Breeze. I like the style of this one. Be great in like a gazebo area or a back deck for $100. Ego also has some tools on sale. Here's the hedge trimmer with a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger included. That's a big deal at $200. And then one more deal over at Lowe's. Here's the Klein Mod Box. This is their 3-drawer unit. When it comes to these modular tool systems, usually the drawer boxes are your most coveted, your most expensive. So this one's on sale at $120. Now switching gears over to Amazon, here's a pretty cool shed light. If you don't have power running out to your shed, you can use this light. It's solar powered, has a long cord, so you can put it maybe on the roof of your shed, and it has an automatic motion sensor light. So as soon as you walk in, it'll light up the area. This is $22.94. If you want a nice heavy duty clipboard, check out this DeWalt one. It's on sale for $16, and it works with their T-Stack system, so it can stack right on top of their toolboxes. You have a nice clipboard ready to go. Here's the Anker Solix C1000. It's on a really nice discount, 44% off at $450 or just under $450. Being a YouTuber, I get sent a lot of these power stations to review, and this is really my favorite one that I use all the time. I love the integrated light. I like the size of it, and it peaks at 2400 watts, which is a ton of power, but this is a great one here at a good price. Also, we have a nice deal on some Rain X. This is their glass cleaner at just under $3. Here's a nice sort of travel power adapter. I like its nice compact size, but you plug it into one outlet and you're getting 3 outlets and 3 USB ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port. This is $10. Here's another nice sort of power charging station from Anker. This one's great for maybe a desk, has a 5-foot cord on it, and can give you some USB-A ports and USB-C ports, specifically the fast charging ports right at your reach. And this is $16. Here's a nice price on some Tenacity. This is a really nice herbicide. I've used this a lot in my lawn. It's really safe to use. I've never had an issue with it killing my grass, but a lot of the lawn care YouTubers out there really recommend this stuff. It's usually safe to use if you're gonna be doing any seeding as well. And this is $45, 36% off. A really nice garden hose here from Flexzilla. This is the 50-foot version. These are really nice, durable garden hoses. This is $30. And then one last deal over at Amazon, also from the Skill Power Core line. This is their dual function inflator. It is tool only though. You will need to have the batteries, but this is $55. Also from Skill over at Walmart, they have on clearance their 12-volt drill driver and impact driver combo kit. It's gonna come with 2 amp hour batteries, 2 of those, and it is $68. That's a great price. And then also at Walmart, here's a refurbished Medea 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner. So if you're in the market for one of these, you don't want to spend a lot of money and you're willing to take the risk a little bit on refurbished, Medea is a really good brand of these. And this is a great price, almost half the price is going elsewhere at $225. So now moving over to Home Depot, they're having their Ryobi days going on, and this is really the big deals during that Ryobi days is these battery starter kits, and then you get a free tool. Here's the high performance version. This is $200. You're getting 3 batteries and a charger, and then you can pick a free tool. They have the stick vacuum. They have a lot of good stuff to choose from with this. And then they also have these normal batteries, which is the 18-volt non-high performance batteries. This kit is $99. You're getting 2 batteries and a charger and a free tool. So if you need some batteries and you want to get in that Ryobi line or you're in the Ryobi line, this is a great deal. It's once a year to take advantage of this. So also from Ryobi, here's a nice 6-tool combo kit. You're getting a 1.5 amp hour and a 4 amp hour battery and charger here, as well as a circ saw, multi-tool. I really like the tools coming in this kit with a case for $200. Home Depot also has some nice special buys of the day. You do need to act on these today. It's Friday, May 23rd, but they have a lot of good garage storage stuff. Here's a nice garage workbench from Husky at $336. They also have this 1-drawer, 2-door cabinet here with a nice work surface at $225. Some of these tall standing cabinets at $285. Here's another one of those 1-drawer, 2-door cabinets here, $225 in red. And then some lumber racks here from Delta, a great way to store lumber if you're a woodworker. Keeps everything nice and separated and organized and out of the way. And this is $46.20. So that's it. Those are all the deals this weekend. Again, thank you out there to everybody in the military. Let's not forget what this weekend is really for. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the video if you find it helpful. And I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.